10 Jordan Peterson quotes about life. 1. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Explanation: personal growth matters more than competition. Focus on improving yourself step by step. 2. If you are not willing to be a fool, you can't become a master. Explanation: learning requires making mistakes. Growth begins when ego steps aside. 3. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Explanation: fix your own life first. Self-discipline gives your words credibility. 4. Tell the truth, or, at least, don't lie. Explanation: truth builds trust and inner strength. Lies slowly destroy character and clarity. 5. Pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient. Explanation: short-term pleasure fades quickly. Meaning creates long-lasting fulfillment. 6. You should be careful who you share good news with. Explanation: not everyone celebrates your success. Choose supportive people wisely. 7. The purpose of life is finding the largest burden that you can bear, and bearing it. Explanation: responsibility gives life direction. Strength grows through meaningful struggle. 8. Don't sacrifice what you could be for what you are. Explanation: comfort can limit potential. Discipline unlocks future success. 9. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. Explanation: posture reflects mindset and confidence. Small physical changes affect inner strength. 10. Work as hard as you possibly can on at least one thing and see what happens. Explanation: commitment builds competence. Effort reveals your true potential.